The TECXERLLON 16,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is designed for people who need powerful cooling for large rooms without the complexity of a permanent installation. If you're looking for a portable AC that can handle bedrooms, living rooms, apartments, home offices, or open spaces, this model delivers impressive performance with smart features that make everyday use simple and convenient. The link is in the description, so visit there for the latest price details and available offers. One of the biggest reasons users appreciate this unit is its ability to cool spaces up to 850 square feet quickly and efficiently. The powerful compressor helps lower room temperatures fast, while allowing users to adjust settings between 61 and 90 degrees for personalized comfort. Beyond cooling, this unit works as a complete comfort solution with cooling, fan, dehumidifier, and sleep modes built into one machine. The dehumidifier removes excess moisture from the air, helping rooms feel fresher and less sticky during humid weather. Smart controls make operation even easier. Users can manage settings using the LED touch panel, the included remote control, or the Smart Life app from their phone. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or away from home, adjusting temperature and fan settings is simple. Another feature customers enjoy is the quiet operation. With noise levels as low as 45 decibels and a dedicated sleep mode, the unit is suitable for bedrooms and nighttime use without creating distracting noise. The self-evaporating design is also a major convenience because it reduces the need for frequent draining during normal operation. Many users find this feature especially useful during extended use in warm weather. Portability is another strong advantage, thanks to built-in handles and smooth caster wheels that allow easy movement between rooms. The included window installation kit helps simplify setup, making it a practical choice for renters and homeowners alike. Safety and support features add extra value, including a child lock, warranty coverage, and US-based customer support. Overall, the TECXERLLON 16,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner combines strong cooling performance, smart controls, quiet operation, and year-round comfort features into one portable package. If you want an easy-to-use air conditioner that cools large spaces effectively while offering modern convenience, this model is worth considering. For the latest pricing, customer reviews, and current deals, be sure to visit the Amazon purchase link in the description.